product, my hominy corn porridge. Guys, let's look at it. I have my garnish here, my nut and egg, my corn, my cinnamon stick. Hi guys, how you all doing today? Welcome to Mama J channel. So guys, today I'm gonna make a Jamaican authentic hominy corn porridge. So here I have the hominy in the pot. This is the corn, and I have 3 sticks of cinnamon stick into it. I put it to soak from overnight. Guys, remember to wash it until the water is clear. So I wash it and then I put it to soak for overnight to let it more faster to cook. So now guys, here I have my vanilla, my cinnamon stick, I have my rose and almond. This is from Jamaica. Yes, big up to my niece that bought it for me, and my mother-in-law that's take it up here. Yes, pick them up. And guys, here I have my salt. I have a tin of evaporated milk, and I have my ground cinnamon powder. I have my rose water, and I have a coconut essence. This is nice, guys. And I have this is a half a cup of flour to thicken it, and it's almost getting to finish. And here I have this is 1/4 cup of sugar, guys, to put into it right now. And I have my nut and egg, and here I have this coconut sweet milk that I'm gonna use. It's the first I see this milk, coconut sweet milk. I get this into Walmart. And I have my blend coconut here. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some of the coconut milk, the coconut juice milk in here. I'm gonna strain some, put it in here, and I'm gonna put this sugar in here right now. And I have some cinnamon leaf with the stick. It's also from Jamaica also too. So guys, so now I'm gonna get it started right now. So guys, when you are going to make your hominy, just remember to put a little salt. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of salt in it. To say, for instance, we are prepping the corn to have that flavor, because guys, hominy corn is very funny. It doesn't care how many sugar you put in it and stuff like that. If you don't start sweeten the prep and little cinnamon to get it a little you spice it up a little when it's cooking. So that's when it's cooking, you can get that flavor into it before it's finished. And then I'm gonna add about 2 cups of water into it. So I'm gonna have this pressure for 20 minutes, 20 to 15 minutes, and then I will check back on it, guys. So guys, I will be right back. Stay tuned. Hi guys, here I am back with my hominy corn porridge. So I just removed the pressure, and I took out the cinnamon leaf and the cinnamon stick from the porridge. So guys, now I'm gonna taste it to see how far it's cooked. So yes guys, it's cooked. I give it 25 minutes. I did put 5 minutes more on the time, so I give it 25 minutes. So guys, here is my rest of coconut milk here, and I put fresh cinnamon leaf and cinnamon stick into it guys. So I'm gonna pour the rest on. In the pot. So guys, I'm gonna have this boil up and let the coconut milk cook. And guys, I blend the flour with some cinnamon powder into it to make the porridge get thick. So I put like less than a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon into it guys. So I'm gonna allow this to cook. I'm gonna give this 10 minutes to let the coconut milk get to cook. Turn up at my stove. So guys, so stay tuned. I will be back in a little bit. Hi guys, here I am back. So now I'm gonna put my spice into it. Guys, it smells so lovely. It smells like when you're baking all these spice. It smells so nice. So now I'm gonna pour in the evaporated milk. And then I'm gonna use just a little, like a teaspoon of the coconut essence, and I'm gonna use a teaspoon with the rose water, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the vanilla, the rose and almond. I'm gonna use half a teaspoon, but this is very strong guys, the rose and almond, so you just have to be careful when you use it. So yes guys, it smells good up in this place. Yes, I'm just mixing out what is in the pot. So now I'm gonna put some of my nutting egg. I'm just use all these. This is 1 nutting egg guys. And then I'm gonna put this is less than a cup of sugar. No, this make it be 1 cup. So yes guys, so now I'm gonna pour in my coconut sweet milk. So yes guys, look at it guys. Smells so lovely. So guys, so stay tuned until I get back with my finishing product. Hi guys, here I am back with my finishing product, my hominy corn porridge. Guys, let's look at it. I have my garnish here, my nut and egg, my corn, my cinnamon stick. Guys, I'm telling you, I wish you would hear to have some of this. Guys, just look at it. I'm gonna taste it, even though I tasted it before. Guys, the nut and egg, the coconut, all those spices, guys, it's just unbelievable. Guys, it's so nice. It's just so nice. Yes, guys, this is it. Guys, just want you to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, another friend. And guys, you can try this. Just look at my ingredients and just boil it and tell me how it tastes. Guys, I'm not, because choose me boil it, I'm not sure enough, guys. It's a real thing. The real thing, I'm telling you guys. So just try this hominy corn, guys, and just tell me about it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.